Well, hey y'all, how's everybody doing? I hope everybody's doing well. Alright guys, so we do have the full spoilers to the Ipsy Standard GlamBag. So if you're excited for this video guys, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. You know it is 100% free. And also turn on that bell, that way you don't miss another spoiler. And before we get started, if you're new here, hi, I'm Mandy. I do a lot of makeup related videos. Now sometimes I'll go off track and do something else I'm interested in, but I promise not to disappoint you all the time. Now let's read the first comment from my last video, which were some spoilers for the January BoxyCharm Premium and Base Box, y'all. Congratulations, Maria Gill. Maria says, hello, sweetheart. Well, hello, Maria. That is so sweet of you, honey. I really do appreciate that. And I cannot repeat myself enough on this. I'm just so grateful to have y'all coming on here and support my channel and taking time out of your day just to come over here and watch Lil on me. And thank you so much, Maria. I love you so much, honey. If you yourself would like to get a shout out, make sure to leave a comment under this here video. You're going to have one out of two chances of getting it. You could either search around and try to be first at it, or you could be one of the comments I pick. You never know, I might pick you. Now stay tuned till the end when I read the comment that I did pick. Alright guys, so now I just always start throwing up the spoilers for these full spoilers because there's just too many to name. There's always usually about 40 products for the full spoilers, and you know that's just too much. But I'll show you the bags and stuff, which I probably already showed you the bags before the spoilers. And I believe this month is Shine On, so I know everything is supposed to be shiny and glittery, and there's going to be a lot of that stuff in this bag, so I'm really excited. And now Ipsy is $12 a month. You know, it went up from 10 to 12, but they did up the value. You know, you're going to get 5 sample-sized products. You know, they also got the Ipsy Plus and they got the Ipsy Ultimate. And as soon as they come out with the full spoilers to that, I'll link them below. That way y'all can check them all out. And you know, each one of them comes with a bag. All the bags are about the same. They're just different sizes. But that's it, y'all. So as soon as they start revealing the January spoilers, y'all, you know I'm going to keep you updated. I'm keeping my eye on them, y'all. I'm waiting on them. And as always, Ipsy's linked below if you want to go check them out. Now, guys, let's read that comment that I picked in my last video. Congratulations, Cat Songs. Cat says, hi, this is my first time watching you. It won't be my last. I love it. Blessed be. Well, thank you, Cat. I really do appreciate that, honey. And welcome to the family. I get so excited every time I see a new subscriber. I just got to run and welcome y'all to the family, and I hope you enjoy the content, honey. And don't forget, I do other videos other than spoilers, so you get to see me in some of the other videos. So go check them out, Cat. And I appreciate it, honey. Thank you so much, Cat. I love you, girl. Remember, guys, you got to leave that comment if you want to get a shout out. And guys, please make sure you're still subscribed to my channel. YouTube's taking my subscribers, likes, comments. They're taking it all. They're trying to ruin my life is what they're trying to do. But if you would double check that, make sure you're still subscribed. And if you're not, why the hell not? I mean, it's 100% free and it's a gift from me to you. And it's rude not to accept a gift, y'all. So you got to take it. So go on down there and hit that button. Then I'm going to need y'all to rate the video, but you're only going to have one option. You could only hit the thumbs up button because my thumbs down button quit working a long time ago and YouTube won't fix it. It really just shows engagement, but it also shows me what videos you guys are liking, what I need to do more of. And then there's one more tiny thing before you guys head out. Damn YouTube. If you would make sure your notification bell set on, that way you don't miss another spoiler. You won't miss another upload of mine, period. And y'all know I do other videos other than these spoilers, so if you want to put a face to the voice, go check them out, y'all. I know there's bound to be one that you like. And that's it. That's all I got for you, and I love y'all so much, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.